is full of symbolisms, and the meal is central to the celebration. Every single dish represents a different blessing. More traditional families may spend weeks preparing for the New Year's Eve meal, but you don't have to. The feast we have here helps you score all 8 lucky elements with minimal work in the kitchen. Let me show you how. I love shopping at Freshco because of its great selection, including Asian condiments as well as ingredients. Plus, it helps me stick to my budget without compromising quality. So now let's go shopping for our Lunar New Year themed meal. One of the most popular New Year greeting is 恭喜發財, 恭喜發財. It means I wish you lots of money. Now let's go grab the food that most symbolizes money. Dumplings.
Because dumplings look like money purses, they symbolize wealth.
Well, you can make them from scratch. It is way easier to buy these frozen ones.
Now let's get some noodles to go with our dumplings.
Noodles symbolize longevity, and not just long life, but a long relationship as well. That's why there's always a noodle dish in traditional Chinese celebratory banquets. To make the dish, just cook the dumplings and noodles in boiling water for a few minutes, add hot clear broth, garnish with some lettuce, green onions, and chili peppers.
There's a Chinese saying that there's no feast without a chicken, and there are 2 reasons why.
First, the Mandarin pronunciation of the word chicken rhymes with the word ji, which means good luck and blessings. Secondly, the chicken is served whole, so you've got good luck from the beginning all the way to the end. You can of course cook your own chicken dish, but it's much easier to pick up one of these juicy and tasty roast chicken at Freshco. Just garnish with sautéed vegetables as well as these tempura shrimp chips. Many Chinese restaurants serve the chicken dishes with these on the side, and it was a favorite when I was a kid. Now let's get ingredients for our appetizer. It's going to be seafood based with smoked salmon and prawns. The Chinese word for fish, 鱼, rhymes with leftover. And not in a negative way. It means you have more than enough, so there is enough to spare, and this refers to money, health, happiness, blessings, etc. Meanwhile, the Chinese word for shrimp is ha, and it sounds like you're laughing. There, you've got money and happiness right here.
Isn't it quite pretty? So I've used a shrimp ring as a base and going on a little bit of a flower theme here with the mango rose as well as the salmon roses.
We've got a seafood appetizer, chicken as main course, dumplings with noodles as second course, and now let's look for some dessert. Let's go with the mochis.
If you've never tried mochi before, now is a good time.
Mochis are cute round buns made of soft and chewy rice with ice cream in the middle. To make your dessert especially festive, I've also added a lot of colorful fruits. Let's see here, we've got money, longevity, love, good luck and blessings, vitality, growth, happiness, and more than enough to spare. Now that's at least 8 lucky elements covered. Oh, and I think you already know that 8 is a lucky number because it also means lots of money.
One stop at Freshco and I've got everything I need for my Lunar New Year themed meal. Are you planning to do something similar this year? Oh, before I go, let me wish you Happy Lunar New Year, 恭喜发财, 恭喜发财.